fast payments I withdraw from this TRS platform. Okay, here is 79 TRS withdraw from this platform, guys. Going to my browser now to show you here now. Okay, this is it was withdraw 79 TRS from this TRS platform. Okay, I'm going to show you the details about the platform and how everything was, guys. Okay, if you are new to this channel, welcome to Global Gift TV. Please make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, guys. Okay, let's get started, guys. This platform is called Tron Love. It's called Tron Love. I'm going to drop the link in the description below so that you can also register. Yes, the first thing to do is to deposit in this platform. Okay, daily profit of this platform is 9%. Okay, it's 9%. You're getting 9% daily, getting 9% daily, and there's no withdrawal fee in this platform. There's no withdrawal fee. Let's say you start from 10 TRS to 1000 TRS, you're getting 9% daily, and from 1001 TRS to 2000 TRS, you're getting 10% daily. Okay, that's an huge investment. You can also join, guys. Okay, you can read all for yourself and to know which VIP you are going for to start making money for yourself, guys. Okay, the next thing is that if you want to deposit, come here where you see deposit here. The next thing is to click this basic account, transfer to basic account. Okay, and you can choose any of these payment method to deposit in this platform, guys. You can choose either BNB, TRX, Ethereum, PEP20 USDT, Ethereum 20 USDT, or TRC20, which is normal TRC20, which carry the logo of Tron. Okay, you see the logo of Tron behind it there. And the last one is Dodge. Okay, any payment you use except TRS, let's say you use BNB, use Ethereum, use PEP20, any of these, use the deposit to be converted automatically to TRS, which you can only withdraw through TRS, which is very simple for you. Okay, if you have BNB, you can join. If you have Dodge, you can also join. Okay, and if you don't have any of these payment method, you can exchange your coin to TRS and deposit in this platform. Okay, let's say you're going for the TRS, you have to click on these shoes. Okay, you copy the deposit address. Okay, you copy the address. Okay, after copying it, you make sure you go to any of your crypto wallet to make the payment. After that, you have to click on this submit successfully. Okay, now I'm not depositing in this. I just want to show you now to deposit. Okay, simple as that, guys. Next thing is, after I deposited, you just have to leave it. You don't have to do anything. You have to come here. You see income here. You come here every 24 hours to come and receive it. Okay, please make sure you come every 24 hours, come and receive your income. If you don't come and receive it, it's going to expire and it's not going to add into your balance. Okay, make sure you come at least 24 hours or 16 hours in a day to check it so I can receive your income, guys. Next thing is to withdraw. Very simple. To withdraw, put the amount you want to withdraw here and choose your withdrawal account. You're going to set it if you want to withdraw. It's okay. Show you my withdrawal proof I've made from this platform, guys. Okay, this 79 TRS, 29 TRS. I've made a lot from this platform, guys. Okay, and the 79 TRS. Okay, let's check amount of that. Let's check the amount of 79 TRS. Okay, okay, 79 TRX, which is around $5. Okay, let's come to our calculator and check this. Okay, you see 740 times 750 times 5. Okay, that is approximately 3,700 naira in Nigeria currency. That means in a day you'll be making 3,700 naira from this platform, which you are making 9% daily, guys. Okay, if you want to recharge, you can recharge as much as possible. Okay, much as possible, and remember that to come here 24 hours to receive your income. Okay, and all this one you don't have to do is just leave it. Okay, don't have any problem with this, leave it. Suppose that you see I deposited around 16, I deposited around 16 TRS. Okay, 106 TRS, which I have withdraw many TRS with the little I have withdraw. Okay, let's come here to see what I'm talking about, guys. Checking my withdrawal record here, 79 TRS, 29 TRS. Seeing all this record here, you see that it is more than the actual amount I deposited, which is 116 TRS. Okay, and you can also check the value of TRS now, and the value of TRS is pumping up now, which you can also leverage on this opportunity, guys. Okay, and make sure you try and deposit in this, and check the link in the description below. If you have any question you want to ask me, I'll drop the link in the description below, so you can also chat me on my Telegram, guys. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching.